Hello everyone, welcome to another Trello tutorial. Now in this tutorial, I will show you how to pin a card to the top of the list in Trello. Now you cannot actually do that with Trello that you are currently using, right? But what you can do is instead you can sort by oldest, right? And to have the first card you added always show at the top of the list, right? So for example, as you can see here on Wednesday, right? I want my oldest card to be shown always first. So I can go sort by and I can go and click date created oldest, right? And it will sort by oldest. So how I wanted to do this, basically sort by let's say newest, right? And I want it to be sort by oldest. So what I can do is go here again, sort by oldest. As you can see, now my oldest is here. What you can also do is you can go to that card and you can basically have a label, and the label can be right here, and it can be keep me at the top, right? And click save. And that's pretty much it, right? It will always be at the top. You can go here as well. You can go to the cover, and then you can also do it this way, right? Or this way, right? However you want, right? Obviously, this is the color, right? You can put it like this, and then this is how it will look like right here. Or what you can do is you can go to cover, do it like this, and then it will be here as well. So and then you can go here and you can pretty much change it, but you will see that this is your keep me at the top right card. And then obviously if you go and sort by newest, right, obviously this card needs to go up, so it will always be up. So that's the only way to do it currently. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like down below, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.